In this video, I'm going to be setting up the secondary flight controls for the aircraft. That is the flap. Let me start from the main right wing. So I'm going to come down here and activate the flaps. This is going to have four different sections. Four different angle presets. So I have the default, that's 0. I'm going to have 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 25 degrees, and 35 degrees. I'm going to, that's R right flap 1. So I'll assign the model, that's flap 1, x-axis, then activate this. So I do my coverage. Alright, so that will be 30, 31, no sorry, 29, 29.5, 30.5. Okay, so then I assign the sounds, flap down, flap up. Then I do the same thing for the right wing. Actually here, not that this is actually necessary, but I'm going to set this off from the menu just to show you how you can do that from the menu. So control, secondary, and I choose flaps. So the flaps have been activated. The angle preset, I'm going to have 5 like I had before, is 0, but this should be 5, 10, 15, 20. No, sorry, 5, 10, 20, 30. So then the model, so this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I set up the coverage to match the alpha. Same thing for this other side. So that means I have 27, 35. Now let me say 26.5, then 34.5. Yes, that's right. Then flaps, then flap up, then I'm done for this. So I'm going to go to the left side and set up that. Let me look at the values I used here. So 0, 5, 10, 20, 30. So left wing, go to aerofoil system, controls, secondary flaps. So 5, 0, 5, 10, 20, 30. Because that's what I have here. Yes. Then this should be left flap 2, I think. Yes. So left flap 2, 26.5, 34.5, 26.5, 34.5, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then the main left wing, I'm going to do that too. So select this, airfoil system control, secondary flaps 5. So let me check out what I used for this. So it was 0, 5, 10, 25, 35. 0, 5, 10, 25, 35 degrees. So this will be flap 1. This will be 29.5, 30.5, 29.5, 30.5. The three sections are active. Flap down, flap up. So as usual, the left wing would deflect in the other direction. So I activate the negative deflection for the left side, and yeah, that's all for secondary controls.